Cataracts are common occurrences among aging people. In the United States alone, it is estimated that 90% of people are affected by cataracts by the age of 85 years. They can occur among younger humans also. The exact cause of the cataract is unclear. The researcher says that oxidation caused by free radicals damages proteins and enzymes in the eye's lens. This occurs after proteins interlock to form a glaze over the eye lens. Antioxidants slow down the process of aging and are one of the best cataract foods. Foods such as onions, garlic, celery, beans, seaweed, carrots, tomatoes, apples, and oranges are rich sources of antioxidants, and most of these foods able to prevent cataract. Beta-carotene, vitamins E and C are also important food cures for cataract. This 10 foods that help to prevent cataracts. Eating more fish, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids, also has been linked to a potentially reduced risk of cataracts or their possibility. Higher intakes of vitamin C foods or the combined intake of multiple antioxidants reduce the risk of cataracts condition. Spinach is a great source of beta-carotene and antioxidants. Consume spinach every day to prevent the formation of cataract in the eyes, and it also improves vision. Green tea is an excellent source of antioxidants and great for general eye health and problems related to vision. Green tea can be taken 3 to 4 times every day to enjoy its health benefits fully. Eat 2 or 3 cloves of raw garlic daily, chewing slowly to clean the crystalline lens of the eye. Taking vitamin A in large quantity is always recommended to get rid of eye problems. Taking 1 or 2 glasses of fresh carrot juice daily is very beneficial in treating cataract. Soak some almond overnight. In the morning, peel them and chew slowly with a glass of warm milk. It cures every type of eye problem and strengthens the vision. Wheatgrass juice is excellent home remedy for cataract as it removes the haze from your eyes and improves vision. Rosemary contains powerful antioxidants. It effectively deals with the problem of cataract. You can consume a cup of tea prepared with the use of rosemary, catmint, and lemon balm on a regular basis to obtain fast result. You can also use grapeseed extract to treat cataracts. Consumption of grapeseed extract may help in slowing down the growth of cataracts. Application of grapeseed extract may also help in the prevention of other eye-related disorders. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and share with your friends. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.